All right, here's an example like one you sent me. So you have to use distance formula. In this case, you know there's a middle point, and this midpoint is the P. You know one piece of the midpoint, and you're trying to find the other piece. So you're going to have to do two distance points and set them equal to each other. So we're going to start with the first one. We're going to take what we know is the X, and we can call this X2 and this Y2, and we'll call this Y1. So this one is for the red one. So we're doing 3 minus 10 squared, because it's X1 minus X2, and then plus Y1 minus Y2. So Y minus a negative 2. We simplify that down, we get 49 plus Y plus 2 times Y plus 2. And when I simplify that down, I get 49 plus Y squared plus 4Y plus 4. Combine those like terms, and I have Y squared plus 4Y plus 53. And that's still under square root. We'll get to this squared part in a minute. Then I do the other part. So I take, this now becomes X2 and Y2 for this other side here. And I'm going to take and go 3 minus 1 squared and Y minus a negative 11 squared, and then I'm going to simplify that and end up with Y squared plus 22Y plus 125, and it's all under a square root. So when I get here, it's all under square root, so I want to get rid of that square root sign, so I square both sides. That squaring of both sides cancels out that square root symbol for both sides, and I'm ended up with Y squared plus 4Y plus 53 on one side, and Y squared plus 22Y plus 125 on the other. So now I want to solve for Y, because that's the whole thing I'm looking for. If I go back here, I'm actually looking for this Y. So I'm going to move these over. Y squared minus Y squared, they cancel. I don't have any more Y squareds. Then I'm going to move this over. 4Y minus 4Y, and I get 18Y. Move the 125 over, and negative 125 and a positive 53 gives me negative 72. And then I'm going to solve for Y, and I end up with Y is equal to negative 4. So negative 4 is my answer.